Ocean City's beaches, where tens of thousands of vacationers usually flock during summer, have completely changed their appearance. This time, they are dominated by giant waves and deadly rip currents generated by Hurricane Erin. Although the hurricane is crossing the Atlantic without directly reaching the American continent, it has produced waves powerful enough to violently shake Maryland's coast. The popular tourist area has been plunged into an eerie silence, contrasting sharply with the usual summer vacation bustle. Hurricane Erin reached Category 5 last Saturday, before downgrading to Category 3 on Sunday and stabilizing at Category 2 Thursday morning. Moving northeast about 340 kilometers off the North Carolina coast, the hurricane created extremely dangerous conditions with winds reaching 240 kilometers per hour, accompanied by intense rain bands. The impacts felt in Ocean City and on Chincoteague Island perfectly illustrate the scope of this exceptional storm, demonstrating that a hurricane doesn't need to make landfall to cause considerable damage.
I've been coming down here since I was 1% on Ocean, Simpson Ocean. Oh, okay. For forever and ever.
The most significant impact on Maryland's coast manifested as extreme risks from surging waves and deadly rip currents. In Ocean City, waves reached between 3.5 and 3.6 meters high Thursday morning, making not only swimming extremely dangerous, but also simple walks along the shoreline. Meteorologist Jake Grant reported that water had reached the coastal path repeatedly, with waves dangerously advancing inland. He specified that the storm's most devastating effects had not yet reached their peak. On Tuesday, authorities officially announced the complete closure of all Maryland beaches. The National Park Service indicated that all oceanfront beaches were strictly prohibited for water activities, while Chincoteague beach parking areas were partially closed. Authorities warned that these areas could be completely closed if conditions were to worsen further. Officials closely monitoring the storm's effects repeatedly urged the public to stay absolutely out of the water. Dangerous surf conditions and high coastal flooding risk were reported by Ocean City Municipality and the Coast Guard. Ocean City Beach Patrol released spectacular videos showing giant waves crashing on shore to raise public awareness of the danger. Additional lifeguards were deployed, and anyone attempting to enter the sea would be immediately stopped. These social media posts became an essential tool for residents and tourists to understand the real magnitude of the danger. Images recorded Thursday morning showed waves reaching the beach, sand reaching the seawall, and roads partially submerged. A coastal flood alert was issued for Arundel County with a water level rise of 60 to 75 centimeters predicted. While the strongest waves were expected around noon, water levels temporarily dropped with the arrival of high tide. Several traffic routes were closed in Virginia and Maryland due to fears of increased coastal erosion. Ocean City beach erosion represents one of the most concrete examples of Erin's devastating impact. The beaches and hotels, usually crowded with tourists during summer, remained in absolute silence, giving way only to the deafening sound of waves. Ocean City, world-renowned for its idyllic vacations, quickly transformed into a dramatic and desolate landscape under the effect of these exceptional natural phenomena. This sudden transformation perfectly illustrates the unpredictable power of natural forces. Meteorologists predicted that Erin would gradually weaken and become a post-tropical system by the end of the week. The considerable extent of beach erosion revealed that they would take considerable time to recover, which could have a negative economic impact on tourism. The danger in Ocean City and its surroundings was considered a warning with long-term effects, not just a simple few-day event. This situation underscores the crucial importance of preparation for extreme weather phenomena. Although Ocean City's beaches were hit head-on by Hurricane Erin, this event reminds us of human fragility in the face of nature's forces. Maryland's most popular tourist destination had to yield to nature's relentless forces, leaving a lasting memory that will remain etched in minds. Our thoughts are with all those who have been affected by this storm, and we hope that the situation will quickly recover on these magnificent coasts. This ordeal underscores the vital importance of safety measures and vigilance in the face of climate hazards. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about natural disasters worldwide. Thanks to our regular and reliable content, you won't miss any important weather events and will be able to better understand the phenomena that shape our planet.